Welcome to our channel. If you are a car enthusiast or just looking to keep your vehicle in top shape, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we are exploring the best car detailing products on the market. From waxes to sealants to interior cleaners and tire shines, we have got you covered. We'll review our top picks, highlighting their key features, effectiveness and value for money. Whether you are a professional detailer or a weekend warrior, these products will help you achieve that showroom shine. Let's dive in. At the first position of our list, we have Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner, the all-in-one solution for keeping your car's interior spotless and fresh. This versatile cleaner is designed to work on a wide variety of surfaces including plastic, vinyl, leather, glass, fabric and more, making it an essential addition to any car care kit. The Total Interior Cleaner offers a gentle yet effective formula that removes dirt, dust and grime without causing damage or fading. It contains UV blockers to protect your car's interior for harmful UV rays, helping to prevent cracking and discoloration. This multi-surface cleaner is perfect for quick cleanups or deep detailing sessions, leaving behind a clean and fresh scent. One of the key features of the Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner is its easy-to-use spray application. Simply spray the cleaner onto a microfiber cloth or directly onto the surface, then wipe away dirt and residue. The non-greasy formula ensures a stake-free finish on glass and other shiny surfaces. Durability is a focus with this product as the UV protection helps maintain your car's interior over time. The competitive price point makes it an excellent value for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. At number 2, we have Car Guy's Plastic Restorer, the ultimate solution for restoring and rejuvenating faded plastic and trim on your car. This easy-to-use restoration product is designed to bring back the deep, rich color to plastic surfaces, making your vehicle look like new again. It's perfect for exterior trim, bumpers, door handles and more, offering a long-lasting finish that resists fading and damage. Car Guy's Plastic Restorer is formulated to provide durable UV protection, shielding your car's plastic and trim from harmful rays that can cause cracking and discoloration over time. The advanced formula penetrates deep into the plastic, ensuring a long-lasting restoration that doesn't wash off with rain or car washes. The application is simple, just apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth and wipe it onto the plastic surface. The results are instant with a non-greasy finish that doesn't attract dirt or dust. This restorer is safe to use on a variety of surfaces including plastic, rubber and vinyl. Durability is a standout feature with the restored finish lasting for weeks or even months. The competitive price makes it an excellent value for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Next up at number 3, we have Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap, a high-foaming pH-balanced car wash solution designed to make washing your vehicle a breeze. This versatile car wash soap is perfect for removing dirt, grime and road contaminants while preserving your car's wax and sealant, providing a gentle yet effective clean. The unique formula of Mr. Pink creates a rich, thick foam that clings to your vehicle surface, allowing for a thorough wash without scratching or marring the paint. This high foaming action makes it ideal for use with foam cannons or foam guns, giving you a professional-grade wash in the comfort of your own driveway. The pH-balanced formula ensures it's safe for all car finishes, including clear coats and ceramic coatings. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap is designed for easy rinsing, leaving behind a spotless, streak-free finish. It's also gentle on your hands, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin. The pleasant scent adds an enjoyable touch to your car wash routine. Durability is a key feature, with the gentle formula ensuring your car's wax or sealant isn't stripped away. The 16-ounce bottle offers great value for its price, providing enough soap for multiple washes. The number 4 position is held by Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt by Chemical Guys, a premium car cleaning tool designed to make washing a vehicle safe and effective. This wash mitt features ultra-soft Chenille microfiber strands that gently lift and trap dirt, grime and contaminants, preventing scratches and swirl marks on your car's paint. The plush design of the Chenille microfiber ensures maximum water absorption, allowing you to hold more soapy water for a thorough clean. Its gentle touch makes it ideal for all car finishes including clear coats, ceramic coatings and delicate paint jobs. The large surface area and thick strands provide efficient cleaning, reducing the time it takes to wash your vehicle. The Chenille microfiber wash mitt is designed with a comfortable elastic cuff, ensuring a secure fit on your hand during use. This design prevents the mitt from slipping, giving you better control while washing your car. The durable construction and high-quality materials ensure that this wash mitt can withstand multiple uses without losing its softness or effectiveness. This wash mitt is machine washable, making it easy to clean and reuse, offering long-lasting durability. The competitive price point makes it an excellent value for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. The number 5 position is dominated by Meguiar's Supreme Shine Foam Applicator Pads, the perfect tool for achieving a flawless finish on a vehicle. These high-quality foam pads are designed to evenly apply wax, polish and other detailing products, ensuring a smooth and consistent application every time. The Supreme Shine Foam Applicator Pads are crafted from ultra-soft, high-density foam, offering a gentle touch that prevents scratches and swirl marks on your car's paint. Their circular design provides excellent coverage, allowing you to easily apply products to large areas, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use. These pads are ideal for applying wax, polish, sealant, and other protectants to your car's paintwork, chrome, and other exterior surfaces. Durability is a key feature of these applicator pads. The high-quality foam is designed to withstand multiple uses without losing its shape or effectiveness. After use, they can be easily washed and reused, making them a long-lasting addition to your detailing toolkit. Next up at number 6, we have Chemical Guy's Microfiber Applicator, a premium tool designed to make applying wax, sealant, and other detailing products effortless and effective. This microfiber applicator pad is crafted with ultra-soft, high-quality microfiber, ensuring a gentle touch on your vehicle surface while providing an even application for a flawless finish. The Chemical Guy's Microfiber Applicator features a plush microfiber exterior that holds a generous amount of product, allowing you to spread wax or polish smoothly across your car's paint, chrome, or other surfaces. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip make it easy to use, reducing hand fatigue during extended detailing sessions. Durability is a key feature of this applicator pad. The high-quality stitching and dense microfiber ensure it can withstand multiple uses without losing its shape or effectiveness. The pad is machine washable, allowing you to clean and reuse it, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice for car detailing. The Chemical Guy's Microfiber Applicator is suitable for a wide range of detailing tasks, from waxing to polishing and applying protectants. Its competitive price point makes it an excellent value for both professional detailers and DIY car enthusiasts. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Chemical Guy's Heavy Duty Car Wash Bucket, the ultimate companion for your car washing and detailing sessions. This durable bucket is designed to withstand heavy use, making it perfect for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts who demand the best for their vehicles. Crafted from high-quality materials, this car wash bucket is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it won't crack or break, even when filled with water and heavy cleaning tools. The large capacity allows you to hold ample soapy water, reducing the need for frequent refills during your car wash. The bucket's design includes reinforced edges and a sturdy handle, providing a secure grip and easy transportation. One of the key features of the Chemical Guy's Heavy Duty Car Wash Bucket is its compatibility with grid guards. The bucket's wide opening and deep design allows you to use a grid guard to prevent dirt and debris from reaching your wash mitt, ensuring a scratch-free car wash experience. Durability is a standout feature, with this bucket designed to endure repeated use without compromising performance. The competitive price point makes it a great value for anyone looking for a high-quality car wash bucket. Thanks for watching our review of the best car detailing products. We hope you found the information helpful in choosing the right products for your car. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and share your favorite detailing product in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and car care tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.